welcome to A Touch of Glam. I'm Leia and I'm so ecstatic you're here. My channel is all about home renovations, room makeovers, decorate and clean with me, DIYs of all glam home inspirational ideas. I hope you're all having an amazing day. I have been MIA for quite a little bit since we have been super busy with this makeover and the backyard renovations, but I am so happy to be back and I can't wait to share with you all today's video of our updated living room makeover. I am simply grateful to have my husband do such an amazing job with this built-in fireplace wall. It has always been a dream of mine and I'm so happy he put my vision to life. I love how this makeover makes our house look brighter and the feel of being much more spacious. I love taking you along with us as we shop for what we need for our projects, as though you're with us throughout the whole process, as well as to show you the things you might need if you choose to also do this project. We are so happy that this marble ceramic tiles we use for our floors is still available for us to use for this project. I'm blessed to buy this accent tile we use for the sides of the built-in on clearance, allowing us to save. I will provide all the links that I can provide below for all you see in this video. I am also extremely excited as we have partnered with our friends from RW Flames. RW Flame is a leading manufacturer of fireplaces. They are committed to innovation and promote superior product development and environmental protection. They have so many choices of models to choose from to fit your style, like the 68 inches recessed electric fireplace heater that they have sent me. I love the sleek modern look this fireplace gives our living room. This electric fireplace is a touchscreen and remote controlled and has 12 flames and LED flame bed color modes to choose from, as well as 5 flame speed modes and brightness levels. The supplemental zone heating is up to 400 square feet of coverage. It also has an automatic heat-off safety to avoid overheating. My husband loved how easy it was for him to install this fireplace, as you will see later on in this video. We are so excited to use this for the colder weather months to come, especially during the Christmas season. And as always, I will provide the links for this fireplace on the description box below for you in case you are interested. Thank you RW Flame for partnering with me for part of this video. Before we continue with this living room makeover, I would like to say my sincere gratitude for all the love and support from all of you. If you are new here or have been with me since day one, thank you so much for always being so kind and supportive. And to show my appreciation, I am hosting a giveaway. I will be giving one of you $100 via PayPal, and all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, like this video, share this video to your friends and family, and comment below what your thoughts about this makeover. And for bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. I will choose a winner 2 weeks from now. Again, thank you all so much for all the love. With all that being said, let us continue with the living room makeover. I hope this makeover inspires you to also build your very own built-in fireplace, or just simply decorate your living room with a touch of glam. Please continue watching till the end to see how my husband had built this fireplace wall and how I have decorated it, and for the final reveal. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video and got tons of ideas and inspirations from this living room makeover. If it did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. I would sincerely appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed yet, I hope today you consider doing so. And don't forget to enter the giveaway. Have an amazing week to come. God bless you all abundantly, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Until next time, bye!